Hello everyone, I am Mamik Khan, currently pursuing LLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently, I am also legal internal access and company law firm. So my presentation topic is smoking should be banned in public areas. There are people who smoke and people who do not. It is in public places that individuals from these groups inevitably meet and forced to interact. And in such places whose will is to prevail, smokers or the non-smokers, considering the matter objectively from the angles of the environment, health, as well as individual rights, it is the non-smoker will that prevail. It is impractical to ascertain the wishes of each is non-smoker in a public place before a smoker indulges in a puff. Smoking in public places, in other words, should be banned. Smoke, the very word, conjures up a full, unhealthy, suffocating, polluting environment with dark clouds of gases suffered everywhere. How then can smoking or rather puffing away smoke to create such a defiled environment be permitted in public places where your even little activity is likely to affect your neighbor? The person who smokes faces a health hazard. Cigarette smoke level behind it deposits in the respiratory tract and is absorbed into the bloodstream. Cigarette smoke contains a staggering 4,000 different chemicals, of which 43 are carcinogenic. The carbon monoxide concentration in the smoke is greater than 20,000 ppm, which, though diluted to 400 to 500 ppm during inhalation, could yet lead to a host of disease. It displaces oxygen from hemoglobin and the result is impairment of the central nervous system function. Cardiac and pulmonary diseases that may eventually lead to heart attacks, ammonia and the other hydrocarbons present in it cloud causes asthma and other respiratory infections. The hydrocarbons are also the cause of lung cancer. The dust particles in it may be the cause of eye irritation, cancer and emphysema. It is nicotine content, which is a highly addictive substance, reaches the brain in no time and constricts the blood vessels, raises the blood pressure and gives the central nervous system a small jolt. In the long run, it can lead to ring cancer, coronary heart disease, emphysemas and reproductive disorders. The smoke from other people's cigarette comes off a cigarette directly rather than going through it and hence can contain 3 times the tar and 10 times of the concentration of carcinogenic agents as the filtered smoke that a smoker inhales. Of course, the second-hand smoke gets diluted by the time it reaches a non-smoker, but that does not make in any the fever dangerous. Research at the University of Zurich in Switzerland demonstrated that when a non-smoker is in a smoky room for just half an hour, he can wind up with the same amount of carbon monoxide in his blood as if he had smoked one cigarette directly. Thus, passive smoking is harmful and rather unjustifiable. For all the health scare or the fire scare smoking has caused, banning it may cause an economic scare. The sales of cigarettes are bound to suffer from such a ban, and the government will lose revenue from excise duties. The tobacco industry will face a decline. Millions of people working in these industries will be thrown out of jobs. When America wake up to the fact that smoking is harmful to the government, sought to find a way out. It discourages its own citizens from smoking through concerned propaganda, but helped the tobacco industry by allowing it to export its products. And cigarette smoking was glamorized through advertising in the third world. This is unpalatable and unethical. India cannot follow such practices. Moreover, even propaganda and the statutory warning has not helped in India, as more and more people, especially the young, fall prey to the glamour of a smoke. So this is all about my presentation topic should be smoking should be banned in India. So if you have any question related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. And this video is not for any kind of promotion, advertisement, etc., etc. It is only for education purpose. Please like this video and share this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.